Yo, hey, good morning, guys. Good afternoon, good evening. It depends on the place you're watching me from. On today's video is a super special video, guys. I'm shooting this video all the way from our beautiful one-bedroom house here in Kenya, Africa. To be specific, in Mombasa, Kenya, one of the coastal parts in Kenya. It's the only part of Kenya that is the coastal part. Which other place? Maybe in Kisumu. Yeah, Kisumu also has a coastal part which you call like it's a lake which has a coastal part. Anyway, happy Sunday, happy Monday, happy Tuesday, happy all week. A lot has been happening, and goodwill is that I give much thanks to Almighty God that everything has been going on well since we shifted to this place in the second capital, in the second city in Kenya, and we give much thanks, man. Everything has been going up and down, but we give thanks. It's tips of life, you know. So please subscribe, like, share, and leave us a comment. I really appreciate your love and support on this day. Today's video, it's another beautiful banger, and I know you love I know you love seeing me around with family, doing my own stuff around here. So also on this video we have also preparing most favorite food for my wife. On the other end, I want to be showing you how to clean, or giving you some tips how to clean a C-section. You know, my wife, when she gave birth, she underwent what we call like a C-section, cesarean, something like that. So yeah, and we have been cleaning, and today was like, it's a good way for me to share with you also how to clean, you know, how to clean. Maybe there's that girl or that lady who is be like, oh, maybe me, I want to undergo this, or in case she undergoes what we call like cesarean section by giving birth, she'll be able also to learn, maybe watching this video and see, hey, I saw Claude Joseph doing this, let me follow the procedures. And you know, this is the most efficient way, rather than using what you call like other ways. Maybe this is the most efficient way that is highly recommended to use, because sometimes you might be using maybe some other stuffs, and the wound becomes a septic wound. It always needs attention. You see, the way you need yourself attention, that's how also it needs attention. So anyway, let's put that aside. You'll be watching this in this video, but on the other end, I'm going to prepare what you call like some special meal, because today they have been recommending it, and sometimes I see my wife sending my sister, oh, please go bring me this, please go bring me this. So today I want to prepare it here in the house with them, so that they can also eat to fullest, so that they can enjoy it, rather than going maybe buying it for 50 Kenyan shillings, that's half a dollar, or for $1, that's 100 Kenyan shillings, and they eat it and it disappears without them enjoying. So today I want to prepare it over here alone, so that I can see how it will come out. And also let me know in the comment section, do you also prepare this alone at your home place? Because what I'm going to prepare here, it's very commonly sold here in Kenya and also in outside places. So let's try and see what's happening on this. And in a nutshell, this is how you see view from our kitchen balcony. Right here is not a police station, guys. Let me zoom, you see. It's not a police station. And this one is somebody who started rearing chicken over there. So he's rearing chicken. On the other end, there's also a construction going, man. When I see some construction, I'm like, oh my god. There's a construction also down here. This construction has been going, it's almost a week, and it's running like crazy. That shows you the power of money. You see, just a week and it's almost done. Also, that's a beautiful neighborhood on the other end. Hey, maybe somebody is watching me from the other side, is like, Claude, why did you zoom my apartment over here? And also it's a very beautiful apartment like ours. The other end also, that's how you see. This is just the neighborhood over here, our beautiful neighbor. So when it rains, this is how you see it. Very, very, very green. One thing you don't know about that, when it rains, it's evergreen. Evergreen. Guys, don't mind about my eyes when sometimes they get swollen. Don't mind about my eyes. So yeah, when Mombasa it rains, like now it's rainy season, this is very green, very, very green, and actually sunny. You'll not love this place, but when it rains, this is how you see greenery everywhere. And one thing I love about this place is that it's tend to have, despite having the concrete jungles the way you see them over here, it also have trees around, and these trees bring fresh air. Me, I live just near here, so I enjoy having fresh air. And it wants to rain. That's why you see the clouds are doing its thing. Whoa, soon it's going to rain. So before it rains, go in the kitchen and see what's happening. I'll also introduce you to my wife and everyone, also to my sister, and we see how everything is. All right, see you. January, February, remember me. I'm using my phone, so let me just try to fix it well, and then we sing January, February, remember me. That's a guy who was requesting like Ilube's song, that anywherever you go, remember me. So the guy just told the DJ, he was singing January, February, remember me. So, and the DJ got him well. So over here, this is always my office sometimes, for a short time or for a short period of time. This is my small office over here, preparing food for my family, and of course just creating content from this side, because for now it's very not okay to rush outside and come back carry the baby, so this is the place. But before that, just to show you something over here. Hey, Abebo.
Hi.
Are you okay?
I'm good.
Okay, come say hi to people.
I do want to say hi to you.
Just come hi, say to our lovely subscribers, to our lovely people. Why is that chopping?
What's the matter?
There's something we used to peel, the potato peeler.
No, we don't have a chocolate here. It's in Migori.
So we should have go
It's
by
in the
one.
village.
It's in the village.
Yes.
Hey, nowadays you look check. You look more beautiful every morning.
I look.
Yeah. Hey guys, introduce yourself now to our lovely subscribers here today.
Hi, lovely subscribers. How we here? How are you doing? Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. I know you've been greeted from before, but then now here we are. So today, guys, he wants to cook us something. And what do you want to cook us?
I went to the market, but sorry guys, I never showed you this. I went yesterday at night, and these people have been just disturbing me every single time. Like, oh, bring us chips, oh, bring us viazi, oh, bring us
Potatoes.
And I'm like, are they obsessed with French fries? Every single time they want French fries.
No, it's not an obsession. It's something we just like once in a while. Yeah, I haven't had them in forever. So I wanted to.
So I'm like,
make
guys,
them here.
let me just make them here just for them, so that they can eat the fullest. So I had almost 2 kgs of.
Nice.
Don't worry. Okay. I have almost 2 kgs of this. They are called sweet potatoes. These are called Irish potatoes. I wanted them to tell me what is going on. Don't worry.
No.
I wanted to see if your mind is
lying.
I wanted to see if your mind is sharp.
I still have brain, baby.
But I know they make French
Maybe
fries.
brain.
So these are not French beans, French potatoes, or in another name they call
Irish
them
potatoes.
Irish potatoes.
And then you make French fries from Irish potatoes.
No, these are French potatoes.
Hi guys, I hope you're doing okay.
In Burundi, we call them viraya. In Swahili, they are called viazi ulaya. I told you, they are called viazi ulaya. Let us know in the comment section, how do you call this kind of potatoes, or this kind of food. So I'll just peel them. That's why I was asking, do they have potato peeler? And they told me they don't have.
We don't have a potato peeler.
Anyway,
we'll use the knife.
Yeah. So I'll just wash them first. Then
you wash them first.
Yes.
Okay.
I'll wash them first because they are too dusty.
You know when you peel them, then wash. That's what I do.
Anyway,
guys, I'm hoping that you're doing okay. Also, me, I'm not badly off. I'm also doing okay. Just in the house, there's no way I can go right now, or we can go, especially me and him. We're stuck here together. So, guys, remember to support us, because this now we can't go far. To be honest, we cannot go far. So for now, in this city, Mombasa, this is where we'll be doing our content. So as you support us, and we will be grateful. Right now, things are happening. Actually, even YouTube, things have changed. Even the way they are paying the YouTubers, it has really changed. And your support will really, really be needed, especially at this time. Yeah. So watch and remember not to skip the ads, and all will be well. Okay. Yeah. So let's cook. Anything else you wanna tell the audience? Have you watched them?
Come show them how I'm peeling them.
Okay.
Yeah.
I think you peel them from here. This is the best station to peel.
There, the sink.
These are all of them?
Not all of them.
Okay. So
Yeah.
where are you peeling and putting them to?
Inside there.
These ones.
So I'm putting this one inside here. The peel is inside there.
The peel is inside here. Where's the basin and the trough? That's the best place for you to put, because it's going to be full here with the three of them. They are big. You see the supply, this one is big. It's full. So it means this one will be full and you need to peel all of them.
Help me.
So let me help you.
Help me.
Where is it?
Maybe at the pants up there. Yes,
Oh, yeah.
also let me at the how do you peel? How do you peel this? How do
Oh
you
my
peel
God, they're
this?
heavy.
Come on, let me help you. Let me help.
Help me.
I saw you going there and I was like, okay, let me just give you time so that you see how if you can carry them. You need to have muscle.
No, not even that I can't carry them, guys. There's something happening. Even the baby is heavy for me. I can't. Have you noticed that?
Yeah.
Even just like when you're watching the baby, I can't like carry her like the way you carry her. I don't know why. Even the baby, carrying the baby, I think I'm still weak a bit.
Am I taller than you? I'm not on the frame.
I am on the frame.
Oh, you are on the frame. Alright guys, so let me just peel this
Something.
and let me know the do you want to peel?
No, just peel, because it was you. Now me, maybe I'll cook.
You help me eat.
Or I'll help you eat.
Yeah.
Yeah. So
how is parenthood taking you? More so motherhood.
It's fulfilling. It's one of the nicest feelings. Watching the baby grow, her smiling, crying, making faces, like trying to find emotions right. You know, it's interesting.
What makes me laugh most with my baby? It's how she makes
That's
faces.
not where you said you're going to feel it.
It can't go there. Let me just put them here.
Let me help you. Guys, sometimes it's not, like, instead of putting them up here, let's put them here.
You know that it will be more easier for me to wash than putting them here.
Here you throw, so you suppose them in the dustbin.
I'll forget.
And then now,
So this is how we peel these ones, guys. So for those who have been watching me keenly, when I started my YouTube channel, I used to have a place, a small restaurant. At the same place, I used to have a shop. And then when the shop collapsed, actually I got, how can I say, is it scammed or I don't know how I can just
what
say.
happened?
Like somebody told me to bring a lot of cereals to him. Just different people, because now when you're doing business, you build what we call like trust with people, you know. So you build trust with your customers and everything. So somebody that, oh, go bring me this. So you bring it to him, maybe on a higher purchase or on credit. So maybe they give you some small thing, maybe they give you a deposit of maybe, let me say 20,000 Kenyan shillings.
Okay.
And then there's what we call like,
the rest.
they remember the rest, that they tell you maybe we'll be paying it in installments, maybe in 2 days after or in 1 week. So me, I brought rice actually. I distributed it equally to the certain orders that have been given. And then it used to be a habit. Oh, I go and bring rice, they give me money. I go and bring rice, they give me money even in advance. So I think they were just trying to build that big trust.
And then
And when it was almost 2022 to election, they told me to go bring them rice again. I brought rice and everything. And also I was having what you call like this small place where I also gave people, like friends of mine, they were from Tanzania, they were like, they don't have any place to stay. So it was like, instead of me staying with them, they eat food and they sleep, I just opened what you call like a small place like this, where you sell drinks and you sell chips like this.
Okay.
I used to have chips.
So you opened just a small place.
Yeah, I opened a small place now. So they manage it when me I'm running some errands. I used to be an errand boy. I used to be an errand boy running up and down. Like I used to be busy. Like I could wake up at almost 4 a.m. start arranging my stuffs. Just putting some orders, rice, selling some stuffs. And so by that time I was now those guys told me go bring the nini. go bring the rice. So I came back to Tanzania. Actually, even now I have those connections. If you need maybe rice or anything over here, I'm almost ready. So I went and also took it from there. I also went to those guys who always sell rice for me. So I took it in abundance.
Oh, you give them in bulk?
Yeah, so also I used my money, and those people, they trusted me also. They gave me their rice on what? On higher purchase.
Oh, so like in other words, they refund the money of the...
My friend, you listen.
Maria's woken up.
So Maria is just relaxing. So the people I gave rice, when rain rains, you know, when it rained, so I just brought the rice, I distributed them equally to how the order was. So I was waiting for me to be given my money. So I went to my small business where I was doing this, and all of a sudden there's something happened back at home. So I came back home, and then I was just trying to call them. Oh, can you send me money, please? I have some emergency here. I want to pay the main distributor for the rice. So they were like, you know, rain has rained, and actually it used to rain a lot. I think I've taken you some days. We went
for a road trip there.
It rains, and when it rains, guys, it's crazy. So the guys started making excuses that the rain swiped away the rice.
Oh, okay.
So it became a very crazy way of now paying me up to date. So I had.
Okay. Yeah, I'm coming.
So I had to go for to just work extra hard, collapse the other small business, use the money to pay the guys in Tanzania again. Up to date, those people haven't paid me.
How much was that now?
Huh?
How much was that?
Almost 70,000
Kenyan shillings.
Kenyan shillings. 7,000 Kenyan shillings. You know, it's a lot, man. And that's how now I found myself back home. In 2022, things went crazily. I was almost undergoing into, it was 2021, 2022 then.
Depression.
Man, depression is real. People can die out of depression. But anyway, let's just peel this and we'll show you how everything is. That was just a short story.
Yeah, and also, let me feed baby.
Yeah.
And then we continue.
Alright, guys. Let me see how everything is around here, alright?
Okay.
See. So guys, I'm done, and this is how you see I've peeled the potatoes, just like this, and then I have to clean this place down here. I throw them. These are the peels. I can throw them over here, and then it will be better. Now, the biggest problem here comes here. So guys, because we don't have a potato peeler, I have to use this. That's why I told you I used to have this kind of business. So I don't have potato peeler, so this one I just try to balance it, to chop the small into chips. And also, you know, my mom also uses this kind of machine. So let me know at the comment section, how do you peel them, or how do you chop your chips? So here we call them chips. In other places they call them vibanzi. In other places they might call them French fries. So it depends. So just like this. So I want to make them big for them, because you want big sister, or small?
Normal size.
Normal size. Which is the normal size?
Not small, not big, medium.
Not small, not big. Medium. Okay. So like that.
Yeah.
Okay. And then you need to be very careful, because you can cut your hand, and if you are not used to to do this, you can cut your hand completely. So it's better.
Hey bro, that size too big.
This size.
Yeah.
You know it's chapati, like you can see through. So this one, when they are boiled with Wait, when they cook with oil, they go very small. Me, I don't like the small ones. The small ones, you won't enjoy eating them. You won't enjoy eating
No,
them.
the big ones, they won't be crunchy.
So you want them crunchy?
Yeah.
Could have said earlier. If you want them crunchy, then you have to cut these 2 times.
Reduce.
Like this.
Yes,
Which one?
that's the best size now.
They won't be crunchy. They will be crunchy even if it is this way.
Okay, yeah, the way I'm going to prepare them. Let me wait and see.
Anyway, let me prepare whatever you love. Just like this. Then like this. Then say they want the one that are crunchy. Oh my god. You know when you cut them big, you even enjoy to chew. Not too big, just a medium size. You cut them big, but you slice them into small. So that the radius of this side can be on this side. So, but this one remains big. That's how it will be very. Or you want the other one for KFC? You know, for KFC they're like this, Then
KFC they use a machine.
Then like this. So the KFC's ones are like this, square. Or the one for chicken in. Okay. Anyway, let me just try to do it. Guys, I've been chopping slowly, and almost done. And it's a lot of them.
And I've been breastfeeding, feeding slowly.
Slowly. You know, sister was saying me to cut them small like this. I told her this is not for commercial.
Well,
It's
and also,
for-
it depends on how she prefers. If she's cooking for herself and she wants to chop like that,
No,
but
those are small, too small, like for commercial. But this one you are having home use.
okay.
Home
they
use you have
can-
to use like this, which is best. But with her, she prefers something small like, like those one for KFC. We don't have a machine.
to make
The square one.
I actually bought this intentionally because I knew if I buy them, I sent for these guys.
What my intention? Oh, hot and sweet pepper.
I love hot and sweet, the sauce, and also the hot chili Heinz.
Hot chili.
Yeah.
So
So
today-
when they went to shop, I don't please, if you get this, buy for me. So he brought for me this.
So today,
So
you're going to enjoy
specifically
for
because I
this.
miss this. I enjoy it with this mostly.
Now these ones
hot sauce.
are ready. Thank me.
Thank you.
Are you okay?
Oh well, yeah.
Okay. You will help me roast this. Let's use this big pan, okay?
The deeper, yeah, the big pan.
This one. Then I take this.
Those pots are heavy.
Yeah. So this one is better.
They are very heavy. So guys, I'm the chef of today. I'm the chef of the day. Am I?
Excuse, where aside, this way. You know you're near the jiko, and the moment I do this way,
I will burn.
and you know today also how to clean slowly.
Clean what?
Your wound.
My wound.
Yeah, it's almost healing.
It's
Almost.
so it cleans my wound every day, guys. You know, like every day, morning and evening. It makes sure it's. I think just put a lot, because these ones can't just cook with just put. Yeah, I think that way. Then they will change it when it remains.
I think I could have used the syringe to do it. You know,
When it remains, we'll put it in
this
other
thing is
pot.
gold, guys. This is gold.
Nowadays. Oh, cooking oil is gold.
It's gold.
Uh-huh.
So when I see them saying put, I feel my bank still feels like it's going.
Oh my God.
I feel like running from responsibilities.
It's more than $10.
Yeah.
This one.
When you hear somebody say, no, it reached a point. Oh, sorry, it reached a point some days. Back 2024, 2023. When cooking oil was golden, guys, gold. You know gold.
Like you cannot afford to misuse it.
If you see somebody, even people used to roast what we call like French fries, they used to.
They became very expensive.
The French fry became very expensive because of cooking oil. But for now, I think also it reduced just a little bit because of 1 to 3.
Let me help you wipe here.
That's why I love you. Let me
help you wipe.
You know, some days slowly.
I'm coming back, and when I come back, I'll be cooking for you.
When you come back, I become now.
You know,
when you come back, I become like.
You know how I do for you. How do I treat you when you
are back, when you're at your feet?
Guys, I
become
treat this guy like.
Honestly, when you are back, I become like how can I say, in quotes, a lame person. I feel like I don't have hands, I don't have legs, so like, you know, I become fragile. I'm like, hey, porridge is there. I wake up, breakfast on bed. I'm like,
I take care of him like I'm taking care of Maria.
Anyway, but am I not taking care of you?
Oh yeah. It's not, I'm not even competing. I'm just saying. Guys, I take care of him like I make sure like he normally gets breakfast in bed every time. Every time. No, be honest. Be honest. No, just be honest.
Oh, you left my drink?
Be honest.
Yes, it's good.
Breakfast in bed every day. It's not like a joke. I'm serious.
And that's the best of you.
He cooks like, he eats good, like I cook for him alone, personally. Yeah, so.
And I appreciate that.
I know.
So, maybe you could have told me, is it okay? This
one? Oh yeah. Not bad.
You know me alone.
Have you washed them? Have you rinsed them?
I washed them and then I washed them. So
okay.
If I wash them right now again, they'll be...
Let them dry up.
They'll be crazy.
They'll be watery.
They lose the taste.
Oh, okay.
They'll lose the
now, do we have like black pepper?
Black pepper? What do you want to use with black pepper?
No, let's let it be.
We have the one that is not crushed.
No.
We have this one that is not crushed. This one.
I used to have like a fast food, guys. Let me tell you now.
Even you?
Yeah. You know.
I'm saying even you. Me, I used to have my own.
Me, I had like a fast food with like.
Mine used to be.
I used to do sausages, chicken, kebabs, everything in Nakuru, in Machakos, and I still like it was a big deal for me. That's in 2022.
I think. Oh, so you did into your business?
Yeah, I was like then
I was a business partners.
Yeah, so I used to have like, and I used to fry like a lot. I used to have a lot of customers who would come, and it used to be, it's like a KFC, like so it used to look like a KFC, but of course KFC is a bit advanced. Mine was like a mini KFC, you know. So where you come and you get like all the fast foods you want, chicken, chips, French fries. No, sorry, French fries, the chips. Sorry, kebabs, hot dogs. Everything.
Let me tell you one thing. I think you can rethink about it.
Yes, we can.
Because now you know YouTube has become crazy.
YouTube is something else right now.
So if you better to go back home.
If you don't organize yourself right now, guys, you're doomed.
So now it's becoming. But I thank God because the little we get. It sustains us.
Oh my God, guys, let me explain myself with this one. I know they will want to know me. No, he doesn't want me to shoot. It's torn and it's old, and because we are in the house, we don't remember to go get another one. So don't focus on that.
We think we need to rethink about it. But anyway, let's focus on today's video.
And so this one has to heat for like another 10 minutes. And then when you put it
in India. There are those who use their bare hands to dip hands inside the cooking. I don't know how they are.
I can't eat.
But anyway, let people have their own culture. Because I'm so surprised, like they use bare hands inside the frying. Frying oil. Like they just like what?
That's not culture. That's just skill that they want. Like they're showing their prowess in their business. So when you see they touch like that, they don't burn. So you're like, oh okay.
Let me test, is it burning?
I can't eat.
There are also those people who eat what we call like, there are those people who, oh your back is not strong, sorry. There are those people who eat what we call like, also they harvest honey, bare-handed and without any medicine, and still they eat honey. And they cannot.
I normally wonder, what is it that what are people trying to prove? What if this starts biting them?
Yeah, they bite them, but they cannot swell. Yeah.
And also the poor are allergic to bee bites. You know
like me, even if it passes here, my ear will be like this, an elephant ear.
Oh yeah. That was
So,
the magic.
like Daniel, Mr. Dan, the guy who takes care of chicken. That guy eats honey during the day.
Like he harvests honey.
He harvests honey during the day, sun, broad light, and the honey and the bees can't bite him. Like it bites, he has some bees bites, but it can't swell. It's like a mosquito bite. Even a mosquito you swell, but with him he can't swell. I'm like, oh my god, what kind of a skin do you have? Even his late grandfather, he used to have it. He used to be the one who harvests honey all over the village. So you can have your honey beehive, and you invite him to come and harvest. So with him he harvests bare-handed, without any medicine. There are some people who have different.
Not yet.
Bring the camera. Show them how we test.
How we test and try and see to find out.
And try. You know, change.
Okay, I'm changing.
So this is how we test. You know.
You just dip it a bit. Not yet.
But this one is almost.
Almost, yes. Like
you see.
Not yet. It's supposed to like there's a sound it makes.
It's called favoring. Yeah, effervescent sound. You know effervescent sound? When you throw a small of aluminium coin,
teacher.
It darts
Teacher
inside
Claude.
the sodium peroxide with an effervescent sound. That is $3. I used to be a very good in chemistry.
Okay, even maths, even English.
No, maths. Maths I was a little bit poor, but not.
Me, nothing. Me, honestly, mathematics
Me?
zero.
Me, in high school, I used to be good at history. I used to be good at Swahili, very good at chemistry, and good at English.
What about biology?
Biology I used to be 50-50, but I couldn't. I was like average.
Okay.
I used not to be low, but I used to be at average. Physics I used to be a little bit, but very poor at physics. And also in geography, I dropped geography anyway. That I used to be good in geography, so I used to have this, humanitarian subjects like histories, humanitarian subjects, history, geography, something like that. So I used to be good in history and geography. So people were telling me, not people, but the teachers were almost fighting over, like, CJ, come to history, CJ, come to geography. So I was like, anyway, geography, you have a lot of drawings, you need to explain. I was like,
okay, me, geography, I stopped with the topic we call rocks.
Rocks.
I left it.
Rocks was the best for me.
I left it at rocks because I could not even understand the rock. I only knew what I knew to do is to draw the rocks. Only that, nothing else.
Oh my god, the code, the hard code.
I don't want to remember. It was a long time. So I didn't do geography. I did history, CRE, German, biology, chemistry, of course mathematics, English, Swahili.
You know now, mathematics is not going to be compulsory in Kenya.
That's bullshit. I think we need to put it back.
It's not going to be compulsory.
But then now this, I don't know.
I
The
don't know.
CBC is not even working. It's not even functional, guys.
I don't know.
The government needs to up their game. Otherwise, we will move to the US even if Donald Trump is chasing away people. You know.
But anyway, that's how, I think it's ready.
Yeah, let's see.
Bring the phone, we see.
Okay. It must come up very fast.
It's almost up.
Yeah, so not yet. It should come up immediately. Sharp, you put it comes up. So let's give it time a bit.
So you have to take this out because it will overcook.
No, it's okay. It will eat it before we cook the rest.
Okay, guys. So we'll show you how everything will be. Guys, look at this girl. Imagine she dipped it here. In a few minutes already, it's in the mouth.
It's not there.
Mouth. Eating
I
chips.
can't open my mouth.
Anyway, get out of that place. Oh my god. Ooh, it's going to produce an effervescence. Come this side. Come this.
We are observing the word
Effervescence.
effervescence.
Effervescence. Come this side. I want. Or you want to put them there?
No.
Hey.
I don't want. You're the one cooking today.
You know you're the one. You are the one having food for Maria.
I'm the one cutting Maria's
Hey,
food.
it's better me ban.
No, I don't say
Than
that.
you know you have Maria's
No,
food.
don't say that. Hey, it's jumped up to here. Don't put a lot. Just put bit by bit.
Yes,
That's enough.
No.
That's enough.
That's wasting of oil. This
No,
way.
it won't cook fast. I'm telling you.
This one will cook fast. That way it's enough.
Oh my God. Okay.
Oh, but this one, is it okay?
Let's see.
It's okay now.
Yeah.
You know there's space. So let's wait and see.
So what we do, we just spread them so that this.
Don't worry. That's why I told you go for a little bit. You become my camera woman for a day. Hey, I miss this. I miss the aroma.
It's here now. Don't miss it.
But now it used to give me what you call like headache. You know why?
Why?
Reason number one, you cook. Sometimes it will give you loss, sometimes it will give you profit.
Yeah.
So like the moment you feel the oil is going just a waste, just like that, and you're like, it's the, business.
Business is no.
Also this business that you're using cooking oil, ask me.
Like these ones are very expensive right now.
me.
These ones are very expensive right now. And also the cooking oil is expensive.
Ask me.
I know.
Anyway,
I don't need to ask you. I know.
Anyway guys, see you how everything will be, right? Okay. Guys, first round is ready.
Hey, I
want the
parts.
Yeah, I knew. You did. That's your
Nice.
okay. Can I try? No, just try and tell us how it tastes.
It's hot.
Now that's yours.
Perfect.
Okay. Try.
Obsessed with this one. And I want to put under this
Chili
sauce.
Okay, put then we see.
So it's the first time I'm opening. Probably it's new.
Okay.
I told you it's new.
So I have to open it for you.
Yes, sir.
Having a husband is a good thing.
A very good thing, guys.
Okay, that's you.
I don't have to carry
Up there.
the
Okay.
heavy stuff,
Okay.
especially right now. Yeah.
Okay.
My nose is itching. I don't know.
So like this, babe.
It's not you locked properly.
Lock it properly.
My nose is itching for some reason.
Okay. We haven't locked it well.
I've locked it well.
Okay.
So you shake it first. I need a fork.
Shake it before use.
Shake before you.
Or shake after use.
Before.
Okay. But if you eat, I'll. Okay.
This one is ready. So
Let me see your face.
I don't like it too much. And of course I like this.
Chili.
This one makes everything special.
Spicy.
Yeah, that's enough.
Okay. Guys, bon appetit.
Danke schön.
Okay.
So I take this. I normally take water, a lot of water. So I want to get a glass of water, and that will be
Now you see the way they are big and crunchy.
and
My
crunchy.
sister wanted them small, which could be consumed in the what we call like in the oil. All right, guys, my guys, round 2 is done. Round 2 is done. So I'm waiting for round 3. Now this is for my sister. This is mine. So my wife has already eaten hers. So this is for my sister, Felicitas. All right, let me show you. Let me wait this again to boil, and I can fry this. All right. Somebody enjoying? Hey, graduate. Graduate is here. Hey.
Guys, let me taste.
You know you are the one who wanted to say crunchy, yeah.
I love the.
So I left yours to be too crunchy. That's why you see they look like they are a little bit overcooked. Try we see.
They're hot.
They are hot, but you wanted them hot. Yeah. Mouth
Nice.
watering. Okay. Okay.
Thank you.
Okay. Enjoy.
Yeah.
Okay. I'm done now. It's time to. No, this is the last one. I'm done. Now it's time to boil water with salt and take care of my wife's wound. With us, we don't eat this, we eat ugali. Men, don't come for me. I know you love that men have to take ugali. That for this, bear with me. I just tried. I was frying as I test. So let me finish, and we want to see how everything is. So this is the last one, and I'm going to boil water for my wife to clean, just to clean and give you some procedures. All right? Okay. Yeah. So I'm boiling water, and then I'll add what you call like salt. Then so on the other end, I've been recommended that the best way is to clean it. You know, sometimes when you're using surgical spirit, it might do what you call like keep on cutting the wound deep. But when you boil water, warm water or hot water, and use a clean or piece of cloth or cotton, just to wipe until it's dry well, and then you do what we call like you leave it open so that the air can pass there. But if you do what we call like, if you use surgical spirit, yes, surgical spirit is good, but when the wound is almost drying, so you can not boil, but you put into the cotton, you leave it to dry, and then you pass it just to kill the germs far away from the wound. But on the wound, if you want to wash the wound, use warm water that have a little bit salt from afar. That's one of the secret that actually most people don't know, but that's the one which heals faster, very fast. So that's when I'm using it, and also it avoids what you call like smell. You know, Dr. CJ is here. All right. Yeah. So our water is ready and very ready. So let me see what's. Yeah. So I had to put it inside this clean bucket, and also using this clean a piece of cloth, dip it inside. Then let's go and see our wife and take care of her, right? And we see how everything will be. Yoo-hoo, yoo-hoo, yoo-hoo. Housekeeping.
Come in.
Housekeeping. Yeah, when I was in Dubai, that was the first time I had that housekeeping. And then when I started moving and traveling more and more, and people could come knock at your door. Housekeeping. Yeah, I miss traveling, man.
I know.
Now it's
You
me.
will travel soon, though.
Yeah, now me taking care of you now, very soon. So how are you doing?
But I think you, at some point, you will go.
Yeah, traveling. Yeah, I have to resume, but not now. For now, with you taking good care of you, like now, I have to check on the wound, and then we see how everything. Anyway, how was the food?
Noise for you?
No, it's okay. It's
gonna be loud.
Okay. Yeah, it was the fan that was making a lot of noise.
The fan was making a lot of noise.
How was the food?
The food was delicious. Mwah.
It was just a snacking.
Yeah, it was like something nice.
Yeah, so for now, and also you know that also. Sorry guys, it depends with it's English. It's not my first language. My first language is Mura is Mura. Yeah, my first language is Mura. Something like that. I love that you're now getting it really slowly.
Yeah.
Yeah, so there's some people who maybe when they undergo what you call like C-section, they come back home and the wound develops to be a septic wound. So I'm trying just to show them this, or to just give them some tips maybe. And also I'll be eager to know at the comment section. Just comment down what you really know about it. That cleaning with surgical spirit, there are those who use surgical spirit to clean, and there are those who use warm water, plain warm water, and there are those who use warm water with salt. So and it's cleaned maybe. It depends on how you clean. If you might be cleaning it, but you clean it very wrongly, so it keeps on developing to the septic wound.
Well, okay, can I say something small?
Yeah, you're
well, wounds, either especially the C-section wounds, a septic wound they have various reasons why you can have a septic wound. One is because negligence. Most of the times it's negligence when you don't clean it well, you don't follow the doctor's instruction, you don't maybe take antibiotics, you don't do the things as instructed by the doctor.
By the doctor, yeah.
So because of it has a lot of germs and that, and remember it's a fresh wound, and you don't take good care of it, you don't sanitize it, you don't maintain it well, definitely it will start having a smell, and then that smell with time maybe it will start rotting or
developing
something like that.
maggots.
Now, yeah, maybe rotting and maggots. I don't know if maggots is a bit extreme. Yeah, so that could be number one reason, and that's the biggest reason, factor for this. Number two is negligence from the doctors or errors from the surgery. When maybe they forget, the others who do surgery, they forget scissors, others forget gauzes or strappings, others forget things inside your stomach. So it starts rotting from inside when they don't remove everything. When maybe they were trying to close the wound, and then they forget something inside, or they don't clean it properly. You see now? Yeah. So those are some of the two factors that can lead into a wound, the wound becoming a septic wound.
You know, you're making those who are maybe those who are planning maybe to undergo that.
No, it's something I think if anyone is watching here, I assume people are informed. These are informed. If you can open a YouTube channel and you can be able to comment and listen to what people are saying, I assume that you're someone who's informed, who knows what you're doing. So I don't think there's anyone who will be afraid because of what I said, because those are some of the things.
No, I'm saying that there are those who can get afraid, you know.
Yeah, it happens. Like everyone is, even me, I was afraid because I was like, hey, what if, you know? But then now
we thank God.
Like everything went well. Getting better and better and
better.
better.
Do you encourage people to give? Maybe do you encourage people to go for C-section because you have underwent that? Do you encourage people to undergo for C-section?
No.
Why? I think that will be one of the best video, guys. We give you some tips about this.
No.
Why? Reason why?
It's harder.
It's
compared to normal childbirth. Yeah. It's I don't know. I don't know whether it's me or other women feel the same. It wears you down. It makes you.
It limits you to
a lot of things. You can't even turn on your own bed after. You can't just do a lot of things.
You can't eat heavy food. You can't eat ugali. You can't eat nyama choma.
And even that. Besides that, it's your body physically and mentally. It wears you down. You feel like you're paralyzed.
So most people maybe might develop postpartum.
Oh yeah, it's cool because you're frustrated. You just find yourself maybe you're angry, frustrated, tired, like worn out, like emotionally, physically, mentally, like you feel like you are in your own world. Yeah, it can lead to postpartum depression a lot of times.
So now it's time for me to do my work.
He wants to clean. Nowadays is the one who cleans my wound.
So I want to do my work as Dr. Claude.
Yeah, but it's getting better and better and better. I think it's healed in a way, but then now we normally have to keep on cleaning and seeing if there's anything, if there is any changes. So far, I think you're the one who can tell it looks good. Does it look good?
Yeah, it looks good. It look even everything in the sky is almost gone.
Almost gone.
Yeah, the sky is almost gone.
Yeah, so
because now sometimes at first I used to be afraid because it used to be very wet, and as time goes by, as you clean, it starts to remove some what you call the outer scars. Then it develops into what we call like a white, the white when the cells start developing. So after that it becomes again white, but healed white. It's like you remove a dry.
Okay.
Let me show you guys. It's like this. You see the time this one I got burnt. So when I got burnt, the outer scar.
By your bike.
Yeah, by my bike, not you. Hey, why are you first to say so? Hey. So guys, this is the exhaust.
Exhaust.
Yeah, exhaust. The exhaust or the exhaust. The T is silent. It depends. Yeah, so it really burnt me, but now the wound also is healed. Like now I can press it. So that's how also yours started. So it's now at this point, and now it's healing at the black now.
Okay.
So
and
it's now coming
I want to
gain
appreciate you here. Go on record appreciating you for all that you've done.
Wow.
When I came from the hospital, guys, my stomach was painful, and you remember my baby was big, so it left a big void, and it was, and even right now, my stretch marks are still painful.
Yeah.
Almost a month plus later. So today we're doing like the final one.
Yeah.
We want to check it, and also we were supposed to visit the doctor, but we never went. Our last clinic, but then now hopefully we'll find a way and go.
Yeah.
But like this is the last one, so he was going to check it so that we can maybe
Dr. CJ.
Dr. CJ has been amazing.
Yeah.
You've been. I wish you had become a doctor.
My dream was to be a doctor.
Oh, but
the dream shut down when my aunt
I
died.
subscribe, like, share. Do not remember
But
to skip
anyway,
the ads.
I still have that passion. I can some days.
Whatever you want.
But anyway, guys, let me check on her and then I'll let you know. Okay.
Okay.
But for now, I'm having here what you call everything. You see, this is my office, my small doctor office. These are the doctor's spectacles or glasses. So I'm here. In case of an emergency, we have emergency key here. One of your box in the hospital.
Yeah.
But for now, we have this surgical spirit, and this one we avoided it because we don't use this none, because we want baby to breastfeed fully, and also some different meds or medicals from the doctor. But for now, we are using this after, because for now, right, I was using this one to you, this one. So you clean it well like this. You make sure it's dry, and then you pass. Not actually. Let me give you an example. If this is the wound, don't clean here at the wound. Clean around here, around here, and then when it's dry, you dry your cotton or your piece of cloth. Then you dry up here the wound slowly, far away from the wound. If you're using water, and also if you're using spirit, make sure that you clean far away from the wound to kill the germs. Far away from the wound, you clean well, and then when the spirit is also you clean the other piece of cloth, then you wipe up the wound. Because reason being, if you use the wet piece of cloth which is used with spirit, it might keep on increasing the cutting. Spirit is very, how can I say, it has a lot of alcoholic inside. So the moment you put it inside the wound which is not healed, it might keep on digging. Is it called digging?
It's in the flesh.
So it corrodes until you feel
corrodes
like,
the
it corrodes the skin. So it keeps on making itching into the wound. So it's better you clean far away from the wound. Then when it's dry, you can clean it on top. So like me, I can use surgical spirit or water because now the wound is closed up. All right, let's do it. Are you ready?
Yes, I'm ready.
Okay. So you make sure your piece of cloth has drained. It won't drain a lot of water, but at least it has drained the water, and the water must be warm. Make sure you boil the water very well, and then we check. Don't look at me. Hopefully you're not. They might see your hands and they will be surprised. Yeah. Your wound is ready. Now even you can travel to Kisumu right now.
I can even go.
You can even go. It's really up. No one can realize that you are cut. I swear.
No one can realize. Oh.
Yeah.
It's clean, is it? Oh, you need to repeat.
Yeah. I'm the doctor.
You're the doctor.
Yeah. So by that, by doing so, you make sure that your wound is almost very dry. Like this one, I think she can even travel right now because it's really outside. Now this is just for outside. Outside is very it's now healed. But I think inside it's not still yet healed.
And also these wounds also depend on someone's body type. The ones who heals fast, you heal fast.
Yeah.
And those who don't heal fast, they don't take time to heal.
For sure. Now when it's dry this way, you can use your surgical spirit. If you have your cotton wool, it's better. But if you have a piece of cloth like this, it's well and good again. So you make sure you take it, you pour a little bit, just a little bit, not a lot, a little bit, then you close. Make sure you close your spirit because it can lose its power. How are you feeling? Are you okay?
I'm okay.
You're feeling like there's a very cold thing passing through, right?
Yeah, but then there's some numbness still around the wound.
That one takes almost like 2 to 4 months, 2 to 3 months for it to go out. It's like how do we call it? There's this medicine that they always ice you or inject you before you give.
Anesthesia.
Yeah, anesthesia. It's like anesthesia, so it gives you not to feel very much pain while it's being done. Yeah. Now even you can go to the beach right now. We are done, just like that. We are done. We are done, just like that. And then everything is okay. Just cleaning it. Hey, patience.
Hi.
How are you?
I'm good.
You good?
I'm ready for my bikini wear.
Absolutely.
Yeah, but I need fast.
Yeah. So by using just like that, you are done. It's just simple, but complicated.
It's simple and
it's
simple.
Simple but complicated. It's
Yeah.
you now to do it. You can do it very simple, but on the other end, you can do it simple, but you make it very complicated. Reason number one, you use a lot of water to pass through the wound.
Yeah.
Second, you use spirit, which you might think it's healing, but it's corroding the wound until the wound, even the surgical sutures can leave each other because
Of the corrosion.
the corrosion. It's very high. Let me show you. It is almost 70% active ingredients. 70%.
It's a simple spirit.
So the alcohol here, the alcohol content here is very high, guys. Very, very, very high. You know, even itself, it tells you if you swallowed or drink, if it's swallowed, drink a lot of water. A lot of water, which means you can. It's the same tankard, but same people. I usually see when people drink a lot of alcohol, they drink also water, a lot of water to kill it down. Same way to this. Anyway, guys, thank you so much. That was just a small, short story to teach you or to just share with you how everything is. But for now, she can even run. I'll just introduce her, taking her to the beach right now. So
Yeah,
that she
I
can put on.
need to find a way to know how to walk again because the baby paralyzed my legs.
Oh yeah,
The
so
baby weight was a lot. So I normally walk a bit slow. So with time I think everything will be okay.
yeah, for external use only. So for external use only. So if you put it internal, it will corrode with the wound. Alright guys, thank you so much. Be blessed. Thank you so much for watching this video to the end. Subscribe to my wife Minhawi right there.
Yeah.
And of course, road to 30,000 subscribers.
Oh,
and
yes.
now guys, don't skip the ads because now we have little ads. I don't know, maybe people complained about the ads. Ads are now 2 or 3 running. So watch it till the end so that we can get something by the end of the month. Alright?
Yeah.
Be blessed and bye.
Bye.
Bye guys.